In this video, I want to explain a little bit about the Blackboard shell used in our pre-calculus class. So, of course, any class here at CWI usually has a Blackboard shell component to it. And this class is no different. I'm actually required to make one. So let me show a few of the things that I put in here and how you can use it or what we will be using it for. So anytime you enter in your Blackboard shell, you'll be first taken to this first page. And this usually just shows some announcements. As you can see, there's one there right now. It says, "Welcome to Pre-Calculus." If you look on the left side, you have a menu with several different options that bring you to some good information. The first button, which says Announcements, will actually just take you right back to this page. The second button says Faculty Information, and this is where I post stuff like my phone number, my email, as well as my calendar in case you need to schedule an appointment. If you are looking at my calendar, one thing I recommend is that you press the Week tab, and then it's a little bit easier to read. The third button on the menu on the left says Syllabus/Schedule. This is where you can pick up a copy of the syllabus addendum, as well as the schedule for the course. I highly recommend going into this tab and printing these off. Now, one button that you've probably already have found is the one that says Getting Started. When you click on this button, I give you a little bit of initial information to get you going in the course. Some of the last buttons on the left side, like Tools and Student Resources, will give you information about the library or the one-stop center. Now, you may have noticed, if you compare this shell to other classes that you have, that there are a lot of buttons missing. For example, there's no button for the gradebook, nor is there a button for, say, documents or lessons. This is because you'll spend the majority of your time in the MyMathLab system. In fact, there's only really 2 times that you end up visiting the Blackboard shell for this particular class. One is at the very beginning of the year, so you can pull off all that good information like the syllabus and go through the Getting Started material. And the second time is at the very end of the year when you fill out your course evaluation. I do this so that you don't have to always bounce back and forth between 2 systems, and so you'll spend the majority of your time in MyMathLab. Alright, so that's all you'll find in our Blackboard shell. Make sure you get through all of that Getting Started material and get your MyMathLab set up as soon as possible.